Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting the last 10 years of PYQ papers and the current Upsc syllabus. This immediately anchors your analysis. Once done, map every question to specific topics and subtopics so patterns become visible. Make sure to tag question types: conceptual, factual, or analytical. You then schedule a 2-hour daily block to read and code questions into categories, which forces consistency. This combination of materials and disciplined time turns vague prep into measurable progress. You now perform systematic pattern analysis. Scan for recurring themes and exact wording that reappears across years, and note the command words used. Once done, quantify frequency by topic, convert counts into percentages, and visualize a simple heat map to prioritize study. Make sure to record difficulty and mark weight per question to spot shifting expectations. Simultaneously, document evolving focus areas so your revision targets the highest yield topics rather than random guessing. You wrap up by synthesizing insights into a 30-day practice plan aligned with topic priorities, then write timed answers and seek evaluations to close gaps. Once done, iterate. Refine your topic list, adjust study hours, and reweight priorities based on mock feedback. Make sure to keep a recovery log for weak areas and repeat subject-specific PYQs. Troubleshooting tip: if patterns remain unclear, expand your dataset to include prelims or older papers, or compare senior evaluated answers to resolve ambiguity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.